In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 different ways you can earn money online with gaming, and I'm going to try and cover something a bit different. So if you don't like one of the methods we're going to look at, then wait until the next one, because they're all different compared to each one. And look, I'm going to drop links down below for you. If you don't like, the idea of making money with gaming, you can go over to my website. There's lots of articles on here, whether it's, earning online, side hustles, creating printables, and lots more. But look, let's go ahead and have a look at some of the websites today, and we'll start with the really simple stuff first. So this is just one family. This is one website. Now this one over here is called BetterFamily.com, and there's hundreds of these. I'm sure you've seen them in the past. You've got ones like Swagbooks and many more. But this one over here, this is one I've found which actually have proper games that you can test. So I'll quickly show you the home page here. So let me go to the home page. This is basically, look, find and engage app testers. So other companies and creators and developers of games and websites and other things, they come here when they're looking for feedback on their apps and their games and things, and basically you can go ahead and sign up for free and then you can get paid. And you can see they've been around for a number of years. You can connect with them on all these social media channels here, but over here you sign up, and then on the inside you come over here and you can see there's lots of categories, but with games at this moment in time we've got this one here, Volley 22. So this is a gameplay test. So look, I'd appreciate any tips from you about the gameplay and graphics. We've then got this one here, so 5-head chess, and then we've got this one over here, this defense overdrive. And again, it tells you a little bit about this, and you click on here and you can go over to the page and start testing these different games. And whilst you're on there, if you want to test other things, then you click on any of these and you can go through and have a look at these. So look, we're not going to spend too much time on this because I'm sure you've seen videos about these different platforms before. The next website we're looking at is this one here, and it's called Metaphy.gg. Now over on this website here, if you're particularly good at a game, you can actually make money from that, which sounds ridiculous, but let me share with you some examples. So if I scroll down here, on the left hand side we've got all of these different categories. Okay, so look, you can choose from the best players of your favourite games and hire them to teach you everything they know. And you can also filter this via different games and also different platforms. So let's come a bit further down the page and I'll try and see if I can find, where is it? I found it earlier. Basically all the lists of games on here. So if I come back up here, let's go up to trending. Because you can see on here, look, there's over 500 plus games where you can go ahead and start on here. So look, we've got over here Super Smash Bros. I'm old, I don't really know what half of these are. We can see on here we've got League of Legends, we've got Pokemon, we've got Tekken, Halo. There's Fortnite on here as well, there's Rocket League and many more. But basically, as I mentioned, if you're any good at a game, or even if you're not the best, but you know some how to play it and other bits, you can come on a platform like this and offer your services. Like this one here, Rocket League, someone's charging $20, someone's charging $10 over here. We've got a shooting game over here where, look, again, prices are different. So, come over here, have a look, and you can even click on See All Experts and you can type in a game. So look, we've got Arena. I won't even pretend I know what half of these are, but I do know Fortnite is on here. And I only know about that because I play that game with my son. So we can see, like, Fortnite. There's 17 coaches for Fortnite and when they're available. So this is a great website whereby you can sign up and share your skills with other people and earn money. And you can also have a look at what other people are offering as part of their services, and you can list them yourself over on here. So this website is called Metaphy.gg. There are many other ones available like this. One is this one over here, and it's called Epalgg. Now on here, if I quickly go over here, I'll go to the home page so you can see how it looks on the home page. So we've got Teammates on Demand. Hire and play with the most engaging gamers, creators and pros. And then there's lots more things on here, but there's 100,000 people on here who are ready to play with you. And again, you can filter this via the different games, and you can go further down the page and look at what's available on here. Now if you want to come up here, you go to, where's it gone? Here, Become an Epal. You click on there and look, high income, flexible, make friends, and you can apply for free. And it tells you, what is it? So Epals are freelancers who provide personalised gaming services. And if we come down here, look, high income, you can earn more than £5 grand per month whilst gaming. I'm sure that's the dream for, many people who are gaming. You can do this from anywhere at any time, and obviously you can meet gamers from all over the world. Now, there are some things for this. Look, you must be 18 years or above, able to provide a service in at least one category, and willing to provide a great service to clients. Well, if you're signing up, then obviously you're going to try and provide this. Then it tells you about this, but basically you apply for free. So this one is called Epalgg. The one before was called Metaphy.gg. Now the next one I'm going to share with you is a bit different. It's this one over here, and it's called BuildBox. Now inside of here we can see this is a video game development site, and it's basically free and easy to use, and you do not need coding, which is pretty good. So come down here, look, they've got the BuildBox and other things, but basically over on this website here you can actually create your own games on here, and it goes over the vision and other bits in here. There's a community, there's products in here, and also there's a learning center. So you can actually come over here and go into this learning center and learn how to create your own game. So I think it's pretty cool. And if you scroll down here, look, make your own game series, and it walks through creating the basic shapes, levels, come further down the page, making it unique, actions, effects, animated menus. There's lots in here. It even walks you through, look, how to publish this to the app stores. So you can actually create your own game, publish it to the app store, whether that is Google or over on Apple, and you can earn money that way. And there's a number of ways you can earn from an app. I'm sure there's advertising, there's paid sponsorships, and many more. But I like this because, like I say, you can go through and learn all of this. And again, they've been around for a while. You can check them out on all the different socials along the bottom here. The final one I'm going to share with you is this one over here, and it's called GDeveloper.io. And again, look, it's a free and easy game making app. Make games with GDeveloper, no code, open source, free and easy game making app. And you can try it online, or you can download it yourself. And it works in a similar fashion to the website we've just looked at. So come over here, create your games, and then you can publish them online and start, hopefully, fingers crossed, get lots of income coming in from this. So make amazing games. And look, you can also look at other games which people have created on different platforms. And scroll down here, look, most played games. This one over here. You can have a look at this one. There's lots on here. I mean, literally, this up here, you can drag it. Oh, look, there's loads on here for you to go ahead and have a look at. And see what other people are creating and do this yourself. It's free. You don't need to know coding or anything like that. So if we do a quick recap on this, we've got let me get this all the way to the top here. We've got GDeveloper.io. We have got this one over here, which is called BuildBox.com. The one before was Epalgg. We've got Metaphy.gg, and then the final one was this one over here, which was BetterFamily.com. These are just 5 ways that you can make money online. But like I said, if you don't like, this method for making money online, I'll put some videos up on the screen. You can have a watch of those, or just simply go over to the website and check out some of the articles on here, because there's hundreds and thousands of different ways you can make money online. Over on the website, we trial things, we test things, and we also share our own results. So look, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.